In this video of how to guide, I'm going to show you how to log into your VONS employee account. So if this is something that you want to learn and you want to log into your account successfully, then make sure you keep watching this video until the end. And before we move on, make sure you subscribe to our channel and also hit that notification bell so you get notified for more videos that we upload. Open up your web browser and search for VONS employee login. Once you search for this, you can see the first result from the website of VONS. You can just click on this link and it's going to take you to the employee section of VONS. Now to log into your account, click on the sign up/sign in button on the top right and click on the sign in link. Once you click on it, it's going to show you the sign in box from where you need to type in your details first. So type in the email address that you used while signing up. And in the second box, type in the password. If you don't remember the password to your account, you can click on the forgot password link and from there you can follow the steps to successfully reset your password. You can also sign in without a password by clicking on the sign in without password option on the bottom. So this way you'll need to type in the email address or the mobile number that is associated with this account and you'll receive a verification code, and in the next section you just need to type in the code that has been sent to either your email address or your phone number and you'll be successfully logged in. So this could also be a good idea if you don't remember the password. And once you click on login, you'll be successfully logged in to your VONS employee account. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more daily tutorials just like this.